If there's one chore that I hate, it has to be washing clothes. So I make sure that I wash once in a week so that I do not have a huge pile of clothes. But still, I end up having many clothes. I don't know why. And yeah, I just have to do it. But currently, we are saving towards buying a washing machine so that I don't have to wash clothes. By the way, I don't have a problem with washing utensils, but washing clothes, man, is just very hard chore for me. So in this video, we are going to do cleaning. If you are a new subscriber on this channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. You can also tell me in the comment section below which chore do you hate doing and which one do you enjoy doing. I am sure there are people who enjoy this process of washing clothes as compared to me. So karibu sana to today's video, and let's see and let's wash together, and let's see what I am going to do in the entire of this video. So this is like a day's work. It's like a cleaning routine for me on the days that I decide to do cleaning. And mostly I clean when I have done a DIY video. So 90% of the time my living room is always a mess. I think I need a space where I can be doing my DIY, and the most probable place that can be less messy should be like a corridor or something. But in the meantime, until God blesses me with one, we will do our DIY maybe in the living room or in my sewing room. So yeah, let's see how this goes. So guys, me, I normally soak my towels with hot water and liquid soap. I find this to be very effective in washing my towel, and it comes out so clean and smelling very nice. Yeah. So I forwarded the video. This was like an hour of cleaning, and here I am just going to wring my clothes. Also, I don't have enough buckets. I don't know, my problems are many. Maybe I should just go and buy some. So I hope that you enjoy this video. Let's do the rinsing and then do the next thing.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
So once we are done cleaning the clothes, this is the next thing that I'm gonna do. So I have these ndumas and this maize and beans that I wanted to cook. So this is the next thing that I did. And just started on cooking them as I did other things. But as usual, ukianza kufanya kupika, you should also make sure that you clean the sink. So guys, I am wearing gloves not because that I am clean. I don't know the reason, but iyo maji ya nduma huwa inanikuna for some reason too. And then also I had washed the clothes, and nilikuwa nimejiinja kidogo one of the kidoles, and I did not want it to bleed into the ndumas. But most of the times napatanga nikitoa maganda ya nduma hiyo maji, sometimes inanikuna. So to avoid this, I always wear gloves. So I'm going to peel this and put them on the fire and let it be cooking as I do other chores, and also make sure that I prepare the maize and the beans to be soaked and to be sorted before now I continue doing my cleaning. Yeah. So now we are going to make the githeri. We start by making this maize. So once you make that line, it is easy to peel the maize off the cob, and that's what I am doing in this next step. Alafu mbona, do you guys prefer kununua githeri from the kibanda or do you prefer making your own? For me, it depends. Sometimes I normally buy from the kibanda because there's a lady who normally makes it very well, but sometimes I prefer cooking. And when I cook my own githeri, I normally add some groundnuts. Sijui ni kwa nini, lakini the groundnuts make the githeri to be sweeter than normal. If you have never ever tried, hebu try cooking your dairy and then you put peanuts in it and then you cook them together and see how sweet it will be. So this is what I was doing. I'll be cooking my githeri this way. Nimeshaongeza hizo njugu and it will be so nice. Yeah, so this is a step that I like doing to remove all the bad beans hizi zenye zina float na miningi ni mbaya, so I remove them and then I'll proceed to cook. So this is what I meant when I said that I normally do my DIYs in the living room. Sasa kama saizi there is a lot of space. So I was making these tire coffee tables. I have already posted the video. You can go and check it out. And I also wanted to paint that shelf, that rack. And I have already again posted that video where I painted. And so kulikuwa kunakaa hivi. I mean, yani hii living room jamani. Hey, until the day that I get my carpet, I prefer doing it from here because the lighting is also very good. So now that's me just cleaning up, natoa uchafu, ni dust hizo viti, nitengeneza hii part ya ukuta. By the way, as I was painting I made a mess here, so alafu hata ningesukuma kiti, I don't know kwa nini sikukumbuka. So these things zinaenda kwa kiti yangu, they are messing it up. But anyway, I did clean it later, but I was removing this part so that I can paint it and becomes the same color kama hiyo ukuta ingine. I don't think that I'll show the video where I have finished cleaning up the living room nikapanga, because I want to do a full living room makeover video, and yeah, you'll just be seeing snippets of it here and there. But once I am done, I'll make sure that I do a full makeover and tell you exactly how much it cost me to do the whole living room makeover. But in the meantime, I am just going to clean this place up. Alafu ilikuwa usiku, there's dust particles zinakimbia kimbia mbele ya kamera. But once I'm done making the makeover, then I'll do the full video and show you how I have arranged up everything and show you how everything has turned out to be. But in the meantime, wacha tu to clean and we'll go to the next thing. I have missed telling you stories in my video, so today let me tell you a story of what happened to me. If you watched my TikTok, by then iko TikTok, I call myself just Naliaka. You can go there and follow me. But if you follow me on TikTok, you have probably heard this story. So a couple, I think right now it's like a month ago, I went to Isli. I wanted to buy curtains, and then in the process of going there, nikapanda tu matatu. So there are these matatus that you board at further stage. So on my way there, I think the Holy Spirit, because that siwezi sema ilikuwa instinct, ikaniambia nikae tu rada. So on the way there, I don't know what happened to me, but all I remember is when I reached Isli, it was like a new place. And then the conductor akatushukishia na huko ndani huko mahali hatujui. So me, I was totally confused. I couldn't recollect my mind. So I think something happened to us or to me when I was in the car. They dragged us or something, because tell me why I have been in Isli for a couple of times, like not even a couple of times, like I go to Isli technically almost once every week, or if I have a lot of work, maybe I go there twice in a week, but I couldn't remember anything at all. Niko Isli, naona tu hii ni Isli, naona tu that is day to day, that is Bangkok. There's a customer of mine mwenye ananunua kwa curtains ndio niwashone ako Bangkok. So you know, once you create rapport, hautakangi kwenda kwa maduka zingine, because in the shop that you have created rapport, it is easy for you to buy stuff from there because that person knows you. So mi naangalia, nafika kwa hiyo place, naangalia hiyo place kabisa, like I don't remember anything, I don't remember anyone. Naangalia hivi, nikakora rafiki yangu nikamwambia, in case I don't come back, just know that me have been dragged aimlessly and I'm confused, I don't know what is going on. So she told me to get some water and drink, of which sikuwa naona maji yoyote. And then she also told me that if I have the number ya huyo mtu wa duka pale naenda kununua, then I should call that person nimwambie akuja nichukue, and that is what I did. So I called the guy wa duka yenye nilikuwa naenda, akakuja akanichukua. Then venye alinichukua tukaenda huko ndani, nikakaa chini for a while, like for almost 20-30 minutes, ndio akili ikarudi. Alafu huyo mtu pia, I don't know, nikimwambia hiyo story, aliniuzia material na akaniuzia pia kalastaki. So ilikuwa tu siku mbaya kwangu, nilichomeka times 2. Nilihave I don't know, I just had to do a lot of mitigation after that day, but thankfully sikupoteza pesa yangu haikupotea, because I did not have any cash money, nilikuwa na pesa kwa M-Pesa. Alafu pia kitu ingine, nilikuwa nasikia music kwa earphones, so I think whoever it was hangeni pickpocket, because simu yangu ingeenda, hata kama akili yangu ilikuwa imepotea ningejua, because I was listening to music. And that has always been my hack, by the way. When I go out to the public space, I normally listen to something on my phone, so that in case iende nitajua, because now the music or whatever I'm listening to will stop. So anyway, it was a bad experience for me. If you have ever been dragged, or if you have ever experienced something similar, hebu comment hapo chini ndio tujue. And what did you do? As in, how did you come out of it? Were you stolen from? Or exactly what happened? I am very interested in hearing your story. I am very interested, guys, because now it is personal, because I experienced it. Hebu mniambie, I'll be glad to read through your comments. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends. And yeah, it will go a long way in helping my channel to grow. See you in my next video, and bye.